Look at this stunning view. Welcome home to this well-maintained condo in Governor Square. This 3-bed, 2-bath corner unit welcomes you with its beautiful laminate floors and updated kitchen. Great for a first-time home buyer or someone starting out wanting the low-maintenance life of a condo. The required HOA fee covers lawn maintenance, so no need to buy a mower. Additionally, there is an optional Northlakes HOA that offers lake access, grills and a dock, $100. Don't wait too long to see this gem. No showings until August 1st.